Alright y'all, what's good? So today we're gonna be kind of styling my hair. I already have it installed, as you can see, but for the most part it's gonna be like a curly hair routine. I actually don't even know what we're gonna call this video, but that's what we're gonna be doing. So I literally just woke up and did my makeup, and I haven't done anything to my hair, and it's literally been wrapped up for 2 days straight. I meant to film this sooner, but it was like a bunch of stuff going on with our like state going into quarantine officially finally. So but that's why it's been on for 2 days, because I was just really distracted. But today we're gonna be styling it. I did do the baby hairs just because that's how I laid it, but that's all we did so far. Like, y'all really didn't miss nothing. Look at this. Like I said, it's been wrapped up for 2 days, so this is how it's looking. I'm gonna pretty much just be like walking y'all through it. We're doing like not voiceover, so I'm just gonna be talking to y'all while I do it. Alright, so we're just gonna start by trying to define these curls. I'm trying to think if I should hot comb it first or do this first. We're just gonna define it first because I want to let my hot comb warm up, but I don't want it to take all day, so it can be warming up while we do the curls. But yeah, so like I said, I've had this hair 2 days. I got it from NabeautyHair. I love this wig so far. Okay, so you can see first we wet down the hair, and I'm gonna try to brush it out with just the water. But yeah, so I've had this hair for 2 days, and I like it. Honestly, my favorite part about getting this wig in general was the fact that it's pre-plucked. And when they say pre-plucked, they mean pre-plucked, because when I tell y'all, I went over it. Yes, as y'all know, I always have to go over my wigs and pluck them, no matter if they're pre-plucked or not, but it doesn't need to be plucked by you. I will say that the middle is pre-plucked for sure, for sure. The sides, they could have used a little bit more plucking, but of course you could just do that yourself, and it was super easy. And I did bleach the knots because I know somebody gonna ask. Y'all ask it every video. Just always assume I bleach the knots unless I say otherwise, because I always bleach my knots. This is my first time brushing through it. I don't really get shedding. There's probably like 5 strings in there. You can probably tell on this side, but there's gel in it from the first day. The hair was really frizzy when I just started the video because I didn't really put any gel in there. I stopped because I realized if I wasn't going to install it on camera, I might as well show y'all how to define the curls. So yeah, we're going to take, what is this called? Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner. I use this on my natural hair as well as my wigs, my curly wigs. So we're gonna use this and just put it throughout the hair, along with some Eco Styler, but I'm gonna do that in a second. I do not recommend putting too much of this. First of all, it's expensive, and this is a wig. And second of all, you will need more Eco Styler if you put too much of the leave-in conditioner. I just add this to make sure my hair isn't sticky when I'm styling it from like the Eco Styler drying up, and it's not crunchy when it dries, and it makes your hair shiny. So all 3 of those things. Okay, so yeah, now that that's in my hair, I'm gonna get the Eco Styler gel. I got this baby one. Let me show you. I got this baby one. But before I forget, I wanted to tell y'all that the eyelashes I have in, I know somebody's gonna ask about them. They are unreleased as of right now, filming this video, and I'm wearing them because I want y'all opinion. Y'all always make my eyelashes sell out. Will y'all buy these? Like, do you like them? Are they cute? Are they website worthy? They kind of remind me of my biggie ones, and those always sell out as soon as I restock. That's what these remind me of, because they're thick, but they're different because they're kind of like shorter. I don't know. I love them though. I think they're super pretty, and I'm just testing them out for right now. But let me know down below if y'all want to see these on my website, and they will be there within a week if I get enough comments or inquiries or whatever. Yeah, but I like them, and I really think y'all will like. This seems like y'all style based on the ones y'all always buy up, and the ones that always sell out. But yes, also leave name suggestions. I feel like that'd be fun. So yeah, let me know down below. Okay, so you can see I just put the Eco Styler in my hair. You can see I'm not going way up here to my part, and some of this is like kind of dry. We'll come back and do that after we hot comb. I like to hot comb before I put a bunch of product up there because I feel like it don't get it straight. All right, so what we're gonna do now is take the hot comb and hot comb. Some of you guys have been asking what I use in my part. It's the Care wax stick, but this is the one I always get because I don't see anything wrong with it and it lasts a while. But I'm gonna just hot comb this down. Okay, so yeah, y'all saw I pretty much did the same thing I always do. And now I'm gonna spray some more water up here to make this lay down better. I'm just putting more Eco Styler on this one because it feels really, really dry. But yeah, this is how the hair looking. I believe it's 18 inches, and personally this seems a little short for 18 inches, but I was told it's 18 inches, so this is their 18 inches. If anybody is gonna ask, please don't. I will be coming back when it's drier and touching up the baby hairs as well as like any lace area. For the most part, it's just that one side that's really, really bothering me. But oh, and for you guys who keep DMing me, it's not bothering me or anything, but I'm just like, for you guys who keep DMing me about the wig with the bang, the video isn't up because the company won't let me release it. So it's set for mid-April right now, but I wanted it sooner than that, so hopefully this next weekend or something. I don't really know, but I'm gonna try to get them to let me release it. That's the update on that, because I keep getting questions about it. That's also the reason why I haven't put up my wig sale, because I don't want to put up wigs for sale that you guys don't have videos on. So we're just gonna let this dry a little bit, and I'll be back when it's bigger, because I want to like play with it while it's bigger, and when it's drier, I guess. So I'm gonna see y'all in like 10 minutes. Okay y'all, so it's dry. It's just looking a little short for me, and the curls aren't even tight. If they were like really tight curls, I would understand, but they're loose curls, so you would think that it would make it look longer, but it's actually just looking really short. It looks like a 16 inch. It says right here in the email that it is supposed to be 18 inches. I would go and measure it, but it's really not that deep. Like you guys can see what you're getting for 18 inches. So this is how it's looking. It's like, I'd say like 80% dry, still damp in some spots. Now I'm gonna go ahead and touch up my baby hairs just a little bit, because you can see I need to lay this, and then we'll go over the stats, and y'all are free to go after that. I feel like this could use a re-glue, but being that I'm gonna take it off anyways, I don't want to re-glue like the ear tab area. Okay, so that's pretty much all I'm gonna do. We're just gonna move on to going over the stats. Okay, this is their 13x6 lace front wig, 250% density, pre-plugged natural hairline wig. It says fake scalp. Mine didn't come with a fake scalp, so I don't really know if yours will, but I have the texture curly. They have like on their site, it's under like it's all under the same thing, so they're straight curly body wig, all under the same product. And I have a large cap. Now I'm looking and I'm seeing kinky, curly, deep curly, so let me just go over my email and see if they told me which one I am. Okay, I'm just seeing curly, so I'm just gonna assume it's deep curly because this clearly isn't kinky curly. And it is a 13x6 lace front, like I said. You can see it goes really, really far back. This is like almost the middle of my head. So also I have a coupon as usual. If you guys don't check the description box, you would never know my coupon codes because I don't say them out loud half of the time. But this one is Pretty 10 for 10% off. I do want to remind you and announce that as the COVID-19 pandemic continues to spread, NabeautyHair is still working. They're still in business. nothing has changed. They are still taking orders. The delivery is normal and authorized to send by FedEx and DHL with no delay. And also they would like to ensure that your hair reaches you or your family member safe as well. So yeah, they're taking all the necessary precautions and all of that, but nothing has changed on their half, on their side. You can still order your hair as usual, and mine came in about 3 days, I want to say, so you can see how quickly it comes. That's pretty much it for this hair, y'all. So if you have any questions, of course, feel free to leave them down below. I always answer, and unless I said it in the video over and over, but even then, to be honest. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions. I'm gonna see y'all in my next one. If you see me wearing this hoodie in like a few videos from now, it's because I'm filming it right now. But if you want to watch that video, I'm trying on different color contacts. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Bye.